Right, so here goes. We've got 0,027 to the power negative a third. We're now going to convert this. We're going to say 27 over 1,000. I hope you guys got that, to the power negative a third. Okay, I'm now going to just move this slightly down, the cube root of 2 over 3, because I need space to work on the top. Don't worry, in our next episode, we've insisted a bigger board be given. So don't stress. I know many of you say, sir, why don't you use a bigger board? It's coming. It's on its way. Hold your horses. Okay, so here we go. Let's get back to math. We say 27 is 3 to the power 3 over the number 1,000 is 10 to the power 3 to the power negative a third. So this is 3 to the power. Now, we're raising a power to a power. The 3 and the 3 will cancel. You're left with negative 1. So it's 3 to the negative 1 over 10 to the power 3 times negative a third, which is negative 1. Right, because 3 and the 3 will cancel out. Can we have, what does the rule say? Answer will always be, or must always be. Now, let's not say will. Let's use the word must always be with positive powers. So, can that be my final answer? No. You might ask, will I lose a mark if I don't write the answer with positive exponents? Simply put, yes. Okay, so 10 to the minus 1 will come up to the top as 10 to the power plus 1. 3 to the minus 1 will come down as 3 to the power plus 1. Remember, when you're swapping a base from numerator to denominator, the sign of the power changes, not the sign of the coefficient. Many of you make a mistake in the exam, and if they tell you 10 to the power minus 1, you go and write 1 over minus 10. How can you do that? That's one of the biggest errors that a grade 8 to 12 would make, because these are grade 8 concepts, guys. Okay, remember, 10 to the minus 1 is not 1 over negative 10. The sign of the coefficient doesn't change. This here actually becomes 1 over 10 to the power plus 1. The sign of your power changes, not the sign of your coefficient. Okay, so now that we've got this one here, let's go on to the second one that I left you guys with during the break. Just to confirm, I think this is the third segment. We've got one more segment to go after this, in which we're going to be doing some more hectic exponents. Obviously, we're not going to finish the topic today. So in our next episode, on Thursday's episode, we will then complete the rest of exponents and the rest of surds. So we've got the cube root of 2 over 3 to the power negative 6. So now we're going to say this is 2 over 3 to the power, remember, inside power divided by outside root, minus 6 over 3, which is 2 over 3 to the power minus 6 over 3 minus 2. This will give me 2 to the negative 2 over 3 to the negative 2. This comes to the top as 3 to the plus 2. In fact, let's not move over to the side. Some of you might just do this in the exam. Right, we're going to continue moving down. 3 to the negative 2 will come up as 3 to the plus 2. 2 to the negative 2 will come down as 2 to the power plus 2. 3 squared, 9, 2 squared, 4. There we go, guys. My answer is positive, so I know I'm okay. In fact, my powers are positive, so I know I'm correct. Right? When you're done with the problem, you mustn't say, I think I'm right. You must say, I know I'm right, because I followed the right procedures. And that's what you guys got to tell yourself in the exam. When you are done, you mustn't say, oh, I think I got this right. I think I got 80%. You must say, I know I got 80%. I know I got my problems right. Because if you follow the right rules, you must get the right result. Okay? Let's continue, guys. Let us continue. And it's going to get a little bit more sticky.